Good morning and welcome to today. I don't like this. Wait, and this camera is also dying. I don't like this snow. They're so hyper.
I like his shirt. Oh, thank you. Yeah, that was like
You are a show off. Are you a show off?
He's a nut. Yeah, we like it.
room in the fridge for that.
You're so hyper. Where'd you go? Where'd you go? Come back. Come back. Oh, hey. Hey. Because they're cute.
Jax.
He's like, I
picture.
lick you. Yeah. Got your foot. Dog. Oh, sorry.
Huh?
Huh?
Cash.
Doggy.
I saw him once.
What?
You did?
So I look for a light in the pouring rain. You know that's a pain that I hate to lose. Feeling the strain. Ain't it a shame? Oh, give me the beat, boys, I free my soul. I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away.
Yeah, that does something.
Oh, give me the beat, boys, and free my soul, 'cause I wanna get lost in your rock and roll and drift away. Drift away. Beginning to think.
Oh, did you hear a noise? Did you wink at me? Did you wink?
They're so cute.
You are a little. Are you hyper again? No? Good, because you took a nap.
There you go. Quick. She's looking like, I gotta eat all
Boopy.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Yeah, that's it. Michael,
Ew.
put another one on. Let's see what this one is.
Get it, Opie. Get it. Get it.
Jesse, Tom, Mary, Vince,
Get it.
and Tiffany.
You got it.
Oh, Mary gets Sam.
Oh, my.
Yeah.
And you put down.
No, give me it. Give me it. Ready? Ready?
She has to have Chad's girlfriend.
Get it.
So
Come on.
she drew
Come
up
here.
and got Chad.
Oh.
Where is it? Oh, you got it. Let me have it.
Okay.
Dummy, do you want to play? I don't have it. Ready? Ready?
Yep.
So it just doesn't matter.
Bring it here. Come here. Or fight over it. They're funny. Silly dogs. I just ate more food. Because before that I took a nap for, like 3 hours I'd say. Because I have to go to work. I had to be there at 1:30. I sound like a zombie or something. It's like going on 10-ish, I think, and I'm bored and I don't have anything to do, so I'm probably gonna go to sleep again just because I can. Yeah, it's cold out and I'm not looking forward to having to be to work at 1:30 in the morning till 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And I had to park a ways away and it's cold out and I'm not excited about it at all. Okay, I'm ending this vlog because I'm leaving for work in a minute. So if you liked anything in this video, hit the thumbs up button and leave a comment. If If you want to see what I do tomorrow and all the other days, subscribe. I'll see you tomorrow.